1. Hey, Mr. TCB 40. It's me again. Saw your video, the one you did yesterday about somebody unsubbed you. And, yeah, I wouldn't sweat it. Just don't even sweat it, because people that unsub you or talk shit about you don't deserve your attention, because they're fucking losers. Shit with my... Oh yeah, I gotta remove that. Yeah, so, I've said this many times, but you guys don't know shit. The stupid fucking morons that are out there. Not you, TCB, 40? Mr. TCB, of course. I wish these people, I wish some people would just have some names that I can remember. There's like rugby721, but he has like a 721 or 327, all the numbers and stuff. You can remember mine, Joel McCormick 69, or my other channel that I got out there. I haven't did a lot of videos on there because I'm waiting to get my own place or a different place that I can actually do all my homebrew and set up my homebrew channel, have all the videos. But anyways, hold on 1 second. Shout out to you, and shout out to TCB40. I know there's other different numbers on there, but kind of messed up because I did a video, started uploading it, and that thing popped up on my screen saying Windows hasn't, or updates are ready for Windows. I hit yes, then I hit restart now, so the video didn't get uploaded, but I drank one of these, so that's up. But the good thing is I got another one. So let me get my phone ready and put some music on. I had some videos, I had some big burps, and they were for rugby, because rugby loves those burps. Okay, Facebook didn't upload my pictures. What the fuck? Anyways, go to the song. This is a song that I was playing when the thing fucked up, I believe. Thought that was going to be a burp, but yeah. And I did say in my thing that I posted a picture of these two, and this one guy on my Facebook was like, he's like, yuck, that is gross. Malt liquor is gross. And yeah, I do drink pretty much anything, like the crap Budweiser to really good home brews and really good craft beers. But I don't know, I just drink it all. So that's where I stand on that. I'm bad. You know I'm bad, motherfucker. Packers, world champions. Next. Rugby. That was for you. That was for you too. Irish Spring. Clean as it was. I'm just messing around, figuring out what to do, blah blah blah. There you go, get me some chicken breast, $4.98 for a 3-pound package. Get some of that shit. Then maybe I'll get some. Oh, we got some strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, or raspberries in a 5.6 to 16 ounce container. 2 for $4. Get some of that. Put some vanilla ice cream mixed in all there. Got some cheese, $1.68 a pack. Pepsi products, 12 pack, 3 for $12. Hunt's ketchup, 88 cents. 4-pack of snack pack pudding, 88 cents. Let's see, T-bone, $7.48. If there's anything on sale, because there's our homebrew club is having a camping thing this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday, Sunday. I can't remember what days. You'd think it would be Saturday, Sunday, because everybody's working on a Friday. But yeah, if I go there, the camping thing, oh man, there's gonna be so much beer, homebrew. I'll have to record videos for my drawing and upload them later, but it'll probably be a really good time. I'm getting my car either tomorrow or Saturday, so if I can get it early Saturday at the latest, probably go up there and go to the camping thing. I mean, they probably got like, oh fuck. They'll probably, like, if people buy mini kegs, the 22 gallon or 22, let's see, what is it, 22 liters or something. I'll probably have about 20 of those. Everybody that homebrews will probably bring a 5-gallon keg. I don't have any brew to bring. I have a couple. I have some beers in the fridge that I made Java Stout, but I'll probably bring those to the next meeting in July next Wednesday. Outside my car. Huh. Mm. 10-minute mark. friend in the cities that knows Kiss or Prince or whatever the fuck his name is. By the way, it's my ex-girlfriend or girlfriend or whatever you want to call it. Friends with benefits thing. She used to clean his mansion in the city, Minneapolis area, so it's pretty cool. Met him.
Micro here with Jim Twitchell, Senior Master Technician Report. Jim, a lot of people hear about the works and they figure it's an oil change. No, Mike.
Shut the fuck up.
The alternative fuel debate.
Man, now I need to do a stupid video ad.
This is Lexus hybrid technology designed to optimize any fuel conceivable. This is engineering amazing.
Engineering amazing. Oh, this is a cool song. This song is from Gladiator, I believe. I'm getting those burps. Talk to you later.